Hi Apple, today I will show you about our app submission feature. So the main feature, we have three features for different user. First we have general user, that means all the user have an app store can download and use that feature. So and one more feature is internal control. For the reader staff, they can log in staff account and use the feature. I will detail more. And the last module is payment staff. Staff we have two types, the reader and the payment staff. They respond different feature. So let's start with the normal user, general user, and everyone can go to App Store and download it, and the app will show on home screen like that. And to easy testing, you may switch the language to English. So that's it, and I will detail with number one. So user can call and request connect water supply. The app, the main manual is all the user can request for the water supply on for the home. Yeah, they can click the bottom request water supply and we pop up the phone call number, and they can call to contact them, and they will prepare the form and connect the water into for user house. Yeah, like that. And number two, so the sorry, number two. User, oh, number two, user can see news, water maintenance and information for request something. This one is a new for a water supply maintenance, but it's our language, Khmer language. So we post some every news to announce to customer. They can know, oh, water's cut off or something maintenance like that. So the news will post by our staff from admin also. So number three, in home page of user, the same, they can see the amount of depth water supply. So they can see the depth amount, but they need to log in. So who can log in? The user that join our company and use our water, they have the meter number and phone number. So let me try one. For example, we will include the information of user for you to test also. So this one is a meter number, and we get the phone number here, and we click the login button. So they will see the depth information. For this one example, they use a water 3 or 4 met kip. They will see calculate money in here, and they can click the more bill. Yeah, the more bill is over here, number 5. So I will talk later. Yeah, it's like that. And this is just so information that they connect 1 account. Yeah. And number 4, they can log in, so we just log in at the last time already, so we can skip that one. And sorry, this one is a wrong number, so user can view some their own information and change language. For the user tab, they can see the matter number, the village, and the first name. So this is a testing data, so the first name is wrong. Yeah, that's correct. So number 5, user can search the invoice by month and year. So they the billing tab is here. You can click here and search by month and year. Yeah, that's it. So I try with the October in 2025. Yeah, they can see that, and they can click to view invoice detail. So yeah, this is invoice detail, so this is a sample one. Yeah, and we pop up the set to send to anywhere. So also, yeah, that's for the general user. Yeah, only this feature, so that's all for general user. So we move to the next step. So I will demo you the reader star. So the reader star, they have the user tab the same general user, but they need to log in. So how can we log into the star module? So we can go to account and click to log in. So and click login as star right here, and we input the user email we will provide to our internal staff, and we will also provide you to the we can log in like that, and we see the home page, so we can manage our work. Example, I am a reader staff, so I have a list of matter that I want to go to read the last number. So and we can also let me try to read this one. So on click detail, they can read the last number and can check location, Google Map, and can set status, cannot read. Also this one is a Google Map, so we can click and open the Google Map also, and we will redirect to the customer home also, and we can click cannot read. It's mean this smart number cannot read, so it's meaning door lock, meaning in English language. So door lock something, no anyone home something, and cannot read. Yeah, like that. They can also click cannot read, and the tab will say yeah, if they can read the matter, so they input the last number. So example, I try with the 4,000. Yes, it's all sale success. So for this one is invoice for give to customer, so they need to if we want to test this one, we need to connect to the printer also. You can connect to the printer to print that, and we have the touch button print receipt again. So if you click that one, receipt will print out again. Yeah. So let me continue with this one. Yeah, this one is a print invoice, sell and print invoice. So we can, I already show you last time. So we can click and print invoice also, and the number you may guess for the testing. So for the reader stats, that's all. And for the tab user, the same, different user like that. We can see the information like name. Sorry, that one is a email, and position. Yeah, username, the same name and username are the same also, and we can change to Khmer language, or we can change to English also. So that one is will like in our country we not change the name also. So that's all for the reader's start module. So I can log out here and continue with the payment start module. So the payment start module, the same like the reader. We want to log in, we can go to account, click button login and click login as start, and use a user. I will provide you to. Yeah. So let me explain the number one. So user can go to the tab login and click. So we log in the last time and we go to the feature. So a staff can input invoice number and click done to pay. So the invoice number like will like the receipt that we print last time. So it like that receipt that we print last time. So yeah, I will get the sample one for you. And so we can, this is admin web, our admin web portal, and we can go to take the sample account one, sample invoice, sorry. So we can input here. Oh, that one we cannot pass. Oh, let me try. Cannot pass. We can only type the number UI. So let me type the number. So 151/0000031031034. So we can click done and preview receipt will appear. We can check first before we click to pay, because the receipt will have debt or have it called payu amount something. Yeah, and if the customer confirm the amount to pay, we can click the pay now, and then the system will appear to print. So you can click you can connect to the printer to test the sample. So and after pay we can print again if we out of the the receipt out of the paper something, we can click to print again. So the error up here, maybe we not have the printer. So yeah, I think so you can connect to the printer today. And let me continue to the number 2. In home page we have oh, that's number 1 too. We have a close day. It means if the payment staff get off the work, we can click the get off day button. So if we click that one, user will reset the password and give the password in the new day after. So I know that you cannot click that one. If you click that one, it's okay, but you cannot log in as a payment staff anymore because the password will reset. So you need the new password from me. So if you want, you can note for me or can type for me. I will provide you a new one. So get off the button over here. If they click that one, I will appear message, do you want to end of day? It means they get off work. So if they click OK, the password of user will reset and system will log out, app will log out, and they cannot log in again until I send the new password on the next day. Yeah, I hope you understand what I mean. So let me finish that one and I will click the button of day. So the payment user, they can see the information the same like different user. So have the name, position, username, something, and can change the language of app. Yeah, the same different user. So I will, for the last thing, I will test to get off day. So I will click OK, and the app will appear the report and download. So and user will logging out. Yeah, that's all. I hope you understand. If any concern or any more information, please let me know in the comment. So thank you for your review. I hope you approve my app to go next step. Thank you.